wach makamano e thuolo mabiro. Kawadhi weche mamoko en ni duol mochune do mapacho ka Mano Judicial Service Commission otero chenro mare mar yawo doho mopogore opogore pacho ka e kaonti ma Kakamega kama gibago romo gi okinde jotich mag doho kod gavana mar kaonti no. Duol makamano wacho ni dwaro nitiere mar medo kwan ma jong'ad buche e doho e kaonti no kaka yorno mar neno ni jo-Kenya oyudo ratiro magi mapiyo. Bende gichopo winjruok kod ten kaonti ma Kakamega kokale gavana Fernandes Baraza mar keto tenge lope mibiro gere doho e kuonde chung'od buche duto ma kaonti no.
On matters touching on administration of justice, and at the forefront is the issue of access to justice. I'm happy to report that we've had fruitful discussions, and out of the discussions we are optimistic and we are positive that we should soon alleviate the suffering of the people of Likuyani, where we purpose to open a court very soon. We've also discussed other aspects of access to justice, majorly the alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, and the county has agreed to partner with us to promote what we call alternative justice systems, which will ensure that the people of Kakamega County will be able to access justice from as close proximity as is possible.
One thing we've discovered is an amazing shortage of both facilities and staff within the judiciary. And we want to urge that more resources be allocated to the judiciary to be able to deliver these services. The people of Kenya are yearning for these services to be available at the closest possible locations. As at least in every sub-county we ought to have some courts.
Tumekubaliana na commissioners wetu hapa wakiongozwa na Commissioner Evelyn kutoka JSC ya kwamba gatuzi la Kakamega litatafuta shamba kila sub-county ili tuweze kuleta courts pale.
Riwruog jodongo mayudore Nyamira